Hey students, now in this video I explain more about Scratch 3. So Scratch is a simple, fun-based visual programming language designed by the lifelong kindergarten group at MIT. So to introduce some basic programming concept in an interactive manner. Scratch is fairly easy for anyone to learn with fun. All commands are on the screen so you can just drag and drop them. It also includes graphics and sounds and enable you to quickly see the result of your work. Sprites. Scratch projects are made up of a small object called sprite. You can change how a sprite looks by giving it a different costume. You can choose your sprite to be an animal, a person, a food item, a sport, etc. You can use any image as a sprite. An image drawn in the Paint editor, image uploaded from your computer, or an image dragged from a library. Script. You can give instructions to sprite telling it to move or interact with other sprites to tell a sprites what to do. Your snap together the given block into a stack called script. Blocks. Blocks are color coded by category. Okay, these blocks are dragged to coding area for coding sprite or stage. These are 9 blocks categories. Motion block. Define the movement of sprite. Look block. Change the appearance and costume of sprites. Sound block. Control the playback and volume of audio files and musical notes. Event block are used to control the events and the triggering of scripts. Control block. Control the execution of a script based on predefined event. Sensing block. Let multiple sprites interact with themselves. Operator block. Perform mathematical function within the project. Variables are used to store data like name in project. My block are used to create your own block. Type of block shapes. There are 6 different block shapes. So first one is hat block are used to start every script. These blocks have a rounded shape and a bump at the bottom. You can place other blocks only below them. Stack block are used to perform the main command. These blocks have a notch at the top and a bump at the bottom. You can place other blocks above as well as below the stack block. Boolean blocks are used in conditions that are either true or false. In Scratch, the Boolean blocks are of hexagonal shape. Reporter blocks are used to hold value in the form of number and string. These blocks have rounded edge. C block are also known as wrap block, which have a shape of C alphabet. So C block has a notch on the top and a bump at the bottom. You can place other blocks inside the C block. Cap block are used to end the script. These blocks have a notch at the top and flat bottom. You cannot place any block below them. Adding a new sprite. In Scratch, cat is the default sprite, but you can create a new sprite or import more sprite from the library in your project. Scratch provided 4 different options for adding sprite to your application. These options are accessed through the Choose a Sprite button. Let us add a new sprite. from these options. Choosing sprite from library. Scratch provides access to different collection of graphic files that you can add to your Scratch application as sprite. So click on choose a sprite button, click on choose a sprite option, choose a sprite window appear, select a category for the sprite. By default all is selected. Click on the sprite you want to add. Your new sprite is added to the sprite list and is also displayed on the stage. You can use the button of sprite info pane and give sprite a new name and change it direction to. Okay, drag the sprite to the place where you want to it on the stage.